Look at this question. And the previous video we talked about bearing and distance. That is how you can interpret it correctly. So look at this question here. Is it in a town, Chief X reside 60 meters away on a bearing of 57 degrees from the palace A, while Chief Y reside on a bearing of 150 degrees from the same palace P. The residents of X and Y are 180 meters apart. Illustrate the information in a diagram. Find the three significant figures: the bearing of X from Y and the distance between Y and P and Y. Now look at this. So you simply start from here. Let's say you have this. So what you have here is you start with the four cardinal points, as I told you the other time. You say in a town, Chief X reside 60 meters away on a bearing of 57 degrees. So what you have here is a palace. This palace. But the house of Y, or where YS is residing, is 60 meters away on this particular bearing. If you just turn in the palace like this and you go up like this, you will get to the house of Chief X. So that is what the question is saying. Then, why Chief Y reside on a bearing of 150 from the same palace? Here, that is, if you are in the palace, you simply turn a little bit like this. You move up forward, you will go to the S of Y. Then, from the same palace, you move like this, 150, the direction of 150 degree. So you will go to the house of P. So this is what you have. So you go to the house of P. So when you turn like this, so then let's this one. So you have this one like this. Now look at this. Then they tell you this is house of Y. Then they tell you something again. The residents of X and Y, they are in 180 meters apart. So from here to here is 180 meters. So you join them together from here. So you have this four cardinal points. You join them together like this. So here is 180 degree, 80 meters. Now look here. Here is 57 degrees. Here is 150. From here to here is 150. From here to here is 57. So look, 57, the whole of this place is 150. Here is 57. So you minus it, you will get this angle here. The angle here is 57 minus 180. Minus 150. So you will have 157 minus 150 minus 1. So here, this one will give you 93 degrees. So what you are going to see again is that if this one, look here, if this place is 57, look, consider the four cardinal points. This part is 57 here. So the remaining part here is going to be what? That's so you have 90 minus 57. So 33. The remaining part here is going to be 33, which is alternate to this outside. Also, here is 150. To complete 180, this one will remain 30. That's so this place is 60. This place you see here, for complete this one, here is 90. A part here is 30. The remaining part is going to be 60. So this one is 60, which will alternate to this place at 60 degree. So you have it like that. They tell you the other time that this place is 60 meter. So you have this one at 60 meter. Then they now ask you to calculate. So we draw the diagram now. This is how far you can go. You draw the diagram. So what you want to do now is this. Uh, what you want to do now is that you want to find you have. So this one you can call this one your A. So A is illustrate with the diagram. So this is the diagram you have drawn. Then they have to calculate the bearing of x from y. This x. You calculate the bearing of x from y. So look at it. How are you going to calculate it? That is, if you want to calculate bearing, I believe you understand it a bit, is that what is the direction of x from y? I told you we always start from this what starting point, which is north. So if you want to know the direction of x now from y, how you are going to turn? If you want to go to x, you turn like this until the line that go to what? That go to x. So this is how you turn. So this part is 90 degree, 90 degree, 90 degree. This part is 60. So we need to know this part. So it remain this part that we want to know. So you can call this place theta. So let's calculate it. So how are we going to calculate this angle now? So as I said the other time, so consider what you are given. You are given a side. This is side P. This is angle P. So you can have small p here. X, small x here. Y, small y here. So what you are given is complete one side and one angle, then together with side with no angle. So you can calculate this one. So that is sine bearing. So now let's do it now. So you can have sine P over P equal to sine A, which is y over y. So sine P, what is P? 93 degree over P, which is 180 degree, equal to sine y, which is theta here, over y. Y here is 60, that's 60 degrees. So if you cross multiply, you will have 180 degree sine theta equal to 60 degree sine 93 degree. So even 60 here can cancel this 60. So you can have 3 sine theta equal to sine 93 degree. So you divide both sides by 3. This cancel this. Sine theta equal to. So what is sine 93 degree? So you check it. Sine 93 degree. So you will have it to be what? 0.9986 divided by 3. So let's do the remaining here. So what you have here is sine theta equal to, so you divide this one by 3, divided by 3. So you will have 0.3329. So theta equal to arc sine of 0.3329. Theta equal to, so the arc sine of the answer, so this one give you 19.44 degree. But they have to get your answer in what? 3 significant figure. So you can have it like this, 19.4. So you have this one here. So what you do now is that, so what you have here is, that is this place now is 19.4 degree. So now, what is now the bearing of x from y? So you write it down. The bearing of x from y is so what are they? 1, 2, 3, 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 90 degree plus 60 degree plus that go like this, 19.4 degree. So you add them together. So that will be your answer. So you will have 270 plus 60 plus 19.4. So you have here 3, 4, 9.4 degree. So to 3 significant figure is going to give you this degree. So that's it. That's 349 degree. So that is the solution of the bearing of x from y. Again, you have to calculate the distance between P and so remember what I told you. Remember what I told you, that once you miss the diagram, you cannot get the answer. So it's that simple. Now, the distance between P and Y. So the distance between P and Y, that is this place. Now, again, you can calculate the value of this angle here. So if you want to calculate the value of this angle, so you know the sum of angle in a triangle, which is x, angle x plus angle P plus angle Y. This is equal to triangle. So this is unknown plus P 3 degree plus 19.4 degree equal to 180 degree. So this plus, so you add them together. So you have 93 plus 19.4. So you will have 112.4 equal to 180 degree. So you have this equal to 180 degree minus 112.4. So the angle x will give you minus 180. So you have this one as 67.6 degree. So since this is this place is 67.6 degree. Then you can now apply. So you get this one now. So you can now calculate. So you can still make use of the sine rule. If you like now, you can use cos, because you are given this and this. So you can make use of this side and this side, the angle in between. But let's make use of the sine we are using. So here you will have sine P over P equal to sine x over x here. So you have sine P, this is 93 over P 180 degree equal to sine x 67.6 degree over x. So if you cross multiply, you will have x sine 93 degree equal to 180 degree Uh, this is 180. So 180 sine 676 degree. So this one will give you x equal to 180 sine 676 degree divided by sine 93 degree. So that is that. So you can come, let us finish the rest here. So you will have x equal to 180 times. So what you have here is sine 67.6 degree. So this one will give you 0.9245. Then sine 3 was 0.9986. So you multiply all together, you have 180 multiplied by 0.9245. So you have 166.41 divided by point this. So x here equal to, so you see divided by 0.9986. So you will have 166.6 meter. So the value of s approximately is going to be 167 meter. So you have to approximate to three significant figures. So that is the solution to it. So you consider it, and so that's how to solve it. If you have any other, we can still treat another one in the next class. Thanks for watching.